There are times when the marketing team would like to know what's happening on the website at that particular instance. For such time, Google Analytics provides you with a real time tab to provide precisely the real time data. To get a view of the real time analytics of the website, log in to Google Analytics. There are different tabs on the left panel. The real time tab is where all the real time analytics can be viewed from. Some options with real time analytics are overview, locations, traffic source, and content being accessed. Overview provides data on the number of people currently on the website, either desktop or mobile. It also gives a per minute trend of visitors on the site. It also shows us the high level traffic sources, the pages visited, and the location of the users at that very particular instance. With locations, we get a country wise and a map wise distribution of the visitors accessing our page at this very instance of time. The different sources of traffic, direct, organic search, social, referrals, are highlighted through the traffic section of the real time analytics. The top pages and content being accessed by users is also presented to us through the content section. All the real time information is important for marketers who use real time analytics to make real time marketing decisions.